This is Ben from the B&B Homestead, and today I thought I'd talk about the vegetables that we grew this year. It was our first time growing vegetables. Before I do, if you guys could just like and subscribe, hit that ding notification bell, you'll be notified when our next video comes up. So, this year was our first year growing vegetables on this 1 acre of what we like to call our paradise, our mini paradise. And we had some good crops and some bad crops this year. Our tomatoes grew. I mean, they were good. We grew some Rugger tomatoes. They came out pretty good. I mean, not as good as we'd like to have done, but this was our first year, and it's a learning curve. What are you gonna do? So, but we had some. We had quite a few. They were delicious, and then we still got some ruggers growing green on the vine. Hopefully they change. Starting to get a little cooler now. So it's late September. Our cherry tomatoes, man, did they grow! Man, we had cherry tomatoes coming out our noses, our ears, our feet. We had cherry tomatoes, and they grew good. I guess cherry tomatoes are like one of the easiest vegetables to grow. So, but they were good. Definitely going to do those again next year. As a matter of fact, right before I did this video, I had some. Yes, I did. Next vegetable that we grew and we tried out for the first time this year was bell peppers. Now, our bell peppers grew when we first planted them. I think we planted them like late May. I think it was. I want to say. I don't remember. We got a few bell peppers. I mean, they weren't really huge. By the way, we grew all of our vegetables in pots. Okay, next year, probably do some raised beds and pots. Not doing any in-ground growing here at the B&B Homestead. At least not right now or the foreseeable future. But the bell peppers, they grew pretty good. We grew them in a pot paired with some banana peppers. Got some banana peppers off of them. Got some bell peppers off. The bell peppers weren't as big as I would have liked them, or Beth would have liked them, but nonetheless, they grew. Then for a while, there was nothing on them, and I was actually getting ready to pull them. And then one day, here in September, bam, we got bell peppers and we got banana peppers also growing, and we got new blooms growing on them. That's crazy. I like it, but again, next year, when we move our vegetable garden to the backyard and to the designated area that we're going to do, hopefully, we're going to get better crop. It was good for our first year. Nothing to, write home about, but it was good. We also grew some jalapeno peppers and some sweet pepper. The jalapeno peppers, I got maybe a handful off of them. And then that was it. No more. Wouldn't grow. Sorry. And the sweet peppers, I got one pepper off of them, and it didn't grow at all. No matter what we did, I don't know what it was. And I had the sweet pepper and the jalapeno pepper. We had them paired together in the same pot. And then we also grew some green onions, and the green onions actually did pretty good. Here's the kicker, though. I pulled all the green onions and thought they were finished, and we ended up planting some radishes, and the radishes are doing fine right now. I should be expecting within the next week or two to start pulling some radishes out. But when I went to go one day, probably like last week, I went to go check on them and see if they need watering and everything. Bam! New green onions were growing. What the heck, man? I was like, yeah, green onions. I like them. So, and then we got broccoli that we planted, and the broccoli so far. So, what are you gonna do? It's a learning thing. We're learning as we go along. I think that's it. I think that's all we grew. Oh no, I take that back. We grew some Herbs. We grew some cilantro, some parsley, some chives, and I can't remember the other one offhand. And they did good. I'd like to do a bigger planting of them, especially the cilantro. I like cilantro. Beth doesn't like cilantro too much, but I like cilantro. So, yes, next year, hopefully, get a better crop off of them, but we did pretty good this year. Herbs, fairly easy to grow anyway. So, I thought I'd tell you guys a little bit about the vegetable garden and how it went this year. Next year, when we move the vegetable garden, well, I'm gonna definitely show you guys everything after we get it all set up, whatever we need done to it, set up. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit, as Beth likes to call it, the ringy dingy. And thank you guys.